how to create template in CapCut. So let's get started. Firstly, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Then go to the template option available from the bottom. So in template, you will get to see the various options, various list of templates posted by the different people. And you can also post the templates if you are a CapCut content creator or CapCut creator. But if you are not a CapCut creator, then you cannot post a template on your CapCut. But in order to design them, simply go back to the home page of your CapCut and there choose a video in order to design your template. You can tap on the new project and choose any of the video, or you can simply get the old project and design them as a template. CapCut consists of lots of editing tools, so include all the elements, transitions, effects and text that you want to be consistent across multiple videos. And once you have created your template video, save it as a draft or you can post it. Again, tap on the share icon available in the top right corner and that will let you post your template in your feed. But as you can see that I'm not a content CapCut creator, so I cannot post it. But if you are, then you can see the post the template option available there and you can post it on CapCut as well. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.